Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Kraken is a rare legendary cosmetic weapon in slap battles that players chase for its unique look and animation. It does not appear in every crate drop. The crate and event systems release legendaries infrequently, so expect a low drop frequency. The realistic paths to obtain Kraken are opening crates during themed weeks, participating in limited-time events that guarantee or boost legendary chances, or completing high-value trades on the in-game trading platform, where players exchange rare items and legendaries. Prioritize opening themed crates and event crates when they are active. Developers often rotate legendaries into those pools, which increases the practical odds of finding Kraken. Join community event rotations and complete event objectives, because some events include guaranteed legendary rewards or boosted drop mechanics for a short window. Use trading as a reliable alternative. Compile offers of 2 to 4 high-value rares or 1 to 2 legendaries. List clear trade terms and communicate with reputable traders to secure a Kraken Vire exchange rather than pure luck. Manage your resources. Set a firm budget for crates and spins, track Robux or in-game currency spend, and avoid chasing a Kraken with unplanned purchases. Prioritize safety by verifying trader reputations in community groups, checking friend histories, and using only the official in-game trade interface with confirmed trade windows. Save screenshots of agreed terms and trade receipts. Refuse offers that pressure immediate external transfers. And if a trade seems too good to be true, step back and request community verification before completing the exchange.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.